Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WordPress plugins safely with site health step by step clearly. To uninstall WordPress plugins safely using site health, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Tools section on the left sidebar. In the Tools menu, click on Site Health. You will see an overview of your site's health status. Click on the Info tab at the top of the Site Health page. Scroll down until you find the Plugins section. Here, you will see a list of all the active plugins on your WordPress site. Review the plugins for any that you want to deactivate and uninstall. To proceed, go to the Plugins menu on the left sidebar. In this menu, click on Installed Plugins. Find the plugin you wish to uninstall in the list. Click the Deactivate link under the plugin name. Once deactivated, refresh the page if it doesn't automatically update. Now, you will see the option to delete the plugin. Click on the Delete link to remove the plugin from your site. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure. Confirm your choice to proceed with the deletion. The plugin will now be uninstalled safely from your WordPress site. Repeat these steps for any additional plugins you wish to uninstall. Finally, return to the Site Health page to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.